Pamilya S. PG Records, yo!
No man, Persian or Greek, no man threatens a messenger.
Run the crowns and heads of conquered to my city steps. Insult my queen. Threaten my people with slavery and death. I was carefully perhaps you must have done the same.
This is blasphemy. This is madness. This is madness.